Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to easily change your white fondant into any color of your choice, but in particular today it will be royal blue. Here we go. First of all, we start by kneading your fondant. As you can see, I use some cornstarch on my mat just to ensure that things don't stick, and I brought out all my colors. I use a combination of different blues to get the shade that I desired. So I think I used the royal blue and another kind of blue. So I began mixing, kept going. I did 2 at a time just to ensure that both colors are the same and I'm getting the right shade for both, because I needed quite a lot of sugar paste. Then what I just basically kept on doing was building up on the colors till I got the desired color I needed. I'm making sure I put an equal amount on both, and I kept on kneading. It does take a lot of hard work, but as you can see, you eventually get the desire you want. And here I am putting some Tylose powder to harden it, to ensure that it's ready for when I need to use it, and just to firm up the sugar paste so it's not too flimsy. Again, if you can see, it's gradually taking course and the colors are getting deeper and deeper. And here I am adding the last bits of blue, layering the colors just to make sure I get the deepness that I need, and there it is. So at this point, this was the last round of blues that I applied, and I just continued the process, and here it is. This is the color that I desired. So the moral of the story is, all you have to do is just layer the colors, layer it, and make sure you watch it until you get the color you desire. So you start off with a small amount and you keep going till you get the right colors you want. It does take a lot of hard work. Some people actually like buying the colors, but if you would like to economize and save some money, you can just use your gel colors to build up the layers and get the colors that you desire. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.